Good day, everybody. Okay, what we're going to do today, we're going to use an ESP. This is a ESP Node MCU. Okay, we're going to use it as to power an ESP32-CAM. Okay, this is the camera, you can see. Okay, and instead of using the usual FTDI, this type of things, they're a bit flimsy, they're not stable, okay? But I prefer to use something like this, just to bridge it. And to bridge it, it's easy with this one because, with the MCU, because it has an EN port and then a ground. So from the EN port to the ground, so it will power the camera. Okay. Once you have uploaded, in this case, once you have uploaded the project, okay, this is actually a sample. It's a sample that is in with the Arduino library. If you install it, so sorry, it's with the Arduino library, and you actually have to go to this place. Let me see, to upload it, to download it. Actually, it is from File. You go down to Example, and from Example you go down to ESP32, and from ESP32 you go to Camera, and then you go to CameraWebServer. It's quite a process, but yeah. And once you've uploaded it, you don't have to do anything else. The only things that you have to do here is just to put in my case, I will use the AI Thinker, because my camera is called AI Thinker. So I'm going to go here and make this one available, okay? But you might have another camera here. This one, for example, or we can close it off because it's not mine. So yeah, in this case, I will use the camera model. It's an AI Thinker. The other thing you have to do is to put your SSID, which is the name of your Wi-Fi on your from your router, and your password, and that's it. Then you upload. When you upload, before you upload, actually, you got to do something else, and also you must use a serial monitor to see your IP address. So what we're going to do now, we're going to show you. Okay, first of all, you go here, and you put it on serial monitor to see. It has to be 1152. Okay, then you go underneath here on the camera, and you reset it. You have to reset it, and you can see the light goes on. It's been reset. It's very difficult to reset it, but you're going to have a soft. And you can see here it's thinking now. And what we'll do is, let me try again. It will give you the IP address eventually. There you are. Waiting for download. So I don't know why it's waiting for download. Let me see again. Sometimes you have to go 2 or 3 times. Oh, okay, my fault. You see now, it doesn't work unless this, okay? You must disconnect it. After you upload you must disconnect it from the ground, because what it does, otherwise it won't upload the IP address. Now let's start to do it again. Reset. And There we are. This is the IP address is 192 in this case. In my case, your one might be different. So yeah. So here's the IP address of, and this IP address, so you go copy. Okay. You copy them and you put them on your web browser. You can also put them on your cellular phone. You can put it on your cellular phone as well, and you can check your camera. Control V. Copy these. Now let's see. Might see if I can add it on. Scene 2. 3, add an extra. Okay, and this is what is it going to look like? It's going to look like this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring the camera in. There we are, start streaming, and there it is. So now you can see the camera checking the outside. Okay, everybody. I think it's probably not that difficult to understand. Thank you very much. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it, and have a good day.